So this is Casa, a comfortable, affordable, sustainable alternative for Dutch social housing. It takes elements from all different types of technologies, so both building innovations, structural design, but also the architecture side and the installations. So the energy consumption, energy distribution, and energy storage. And we integrate all these elements into one design. There are several things that we need to do. First of all, we need to look for ways to make sure that the house, the materials of the house are of course affordable. Now, this can sometimes be difficult because using high quality materials can be more expensive. But one of the major things that we want to achieve is lower maintenance costs. So right now in the design of a house, sometimes maintenance isn't taken into account as much, both for building materials but also for technical installations. So we have a service core, which is the central core of the house. That's where all the installations are. Because all the installations are in that central core, they are more easily accessible, and because we do a lot of data monitoring, we can also later implement predictive maintenance to prevent problems before they happen. Because maintenance is a very big expense for houses. So instead of just trying to make the house cheaper to invest in, we try to reduce the total cost of ownership. We try to use mostly biodegradable materials or recyclable materials, depending on what is the best fit for that. For example, for the structure, we use steel. Steel is very durable, lasts a very long time, so for that it's a very good choice. It's also easy to work with in precision engineering. Of course, the downside is that it has a bigger energy footprint, but that's offset by its much longer lifetime. There's also safety reasons why sometimes we use non-biodegradable materials. For example, gypsum plates. They are what is right now accepted as the ideal way to make something fire safe. But there are places where you can actually use fire safe materials that are still biodegradable. So this is a very nice example. This is moso wood. It's actually bamboo wood that has been compressed. It's CO2 neutral. They've done like a whole life cycle analysis, which is really cool. But it's also so dense that it doesn't burn. And this is the stuff that we're going to use on the facade to make sure that the whole house is also fire safe. Yeah.